Hello everybody, this is Syncretic 3D, and in this video I will share with you how to create a subsurface plastic shader in Blender. So let's grab our plastic shader we made in the last video, which you can see up above, and press Ctrl-Alt-G to ungroup the node, and clicking on the diffuse node, press Shift-S and exchange it with a subsurface node. Then move the reflection rotator into the normal socket. And we don't have a roughness socket, so let's remove the roughness node from the sockets. And then just move these nodes over to give us some room. Add a combine RGB node and plug it into the radius. And give it 0.333 for the default values for red, green, and blue. And then bring these nodes back over to the left. And grab all the nodes and group them together. Ctrl-G. Then grab the color and the scale and the red, green, and blue channels. Grab the FAC for the fennel, and then just give it a name, fennel. Grab the FAC for the brightness of the fennel, and call it brightness. And then grab every socket from these two nodes down here. Rename the first texture Texture Roughness. And the second one, Texture Rotation. And thanks for watching, everybody. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next video of this course. Bye bye.